I've spent over 30 years capturing wildlife. This hobby brings me immense joy and helps relieve stress by focusing my attention on the beauty of nature. Recently, I discovered macro photography, searching for tiny creatures and capturing their intricate details. Although macro photography is interesting, it requires extreme patience. Start by setting your camera features. While there are no rules on the time of day for macro photography, I prefer shooting in the morning. During these hours, subjects tend to be more relaxed, making for better photo opportunities. If possible, avoid windy days to ensure sharper images. Don't get discouraged if you end up with more blurred photos than sharp ones. Macro photography takes practice. Learn from your mistakes and move on to the next subject. Think of yourself as a treasure hunter searching for gold, with patience and persistence. You'll strike gold and capture stunning macro photos. Macro photography can be pricey, but it doesn't have to break the bank. Good macro filters can deliver similar results without the hefty price tag. Follow camera settings and practice patience. Your treasure hunting skills will pay off. If you enjoyed this video content, please like and subscribe on YouTube or follow and like on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.